In this video, we will have a look at the shipping methods and the shipping costs. You can find the shipping methods in the Shopware 6 administration under Settings and then Shipping. In the overview of the shipping methods, all created shipping methods are listed according to the name, the description, the tax calculation, the active status, and the position. With the language selection up here, you can choose the language for which you want to see the shipping methods. With this button here, you can create a new shipping method. The position indicates the actual position of the shipping method within the checkout shipping method selection. This is the list settings. Here you can show or hide individual columns in the overview. With the refresh button, you can refresh the current view of all your shipping methods. And with the context menu, this is this here, you can edit or delete the corresponding shipping method. So let's go through the basic information of a shipping method. For this, I'll just open the standard shipping method. In the basic information module, you define or enter the name of your shipping method. With the position, you can set the display order of the shipping method in the checkout. So 1 therefore stands for the first or top position, and a 2 for the second position, and so on. With the active check button, you decide whether the shipping method should be active or not. In the description field, you can insert a more detailed description. This will also be displayed in the overview in the sales channel. You can upload a logo, you can open it via the media or upload a file. With the delivery time, you can enter a delivery time. This will be displayed when you select the shipping method. So in order for the delivery time to be displayed in the storefront by default, it is necessary to activate the option Show Delivery Time and Cart under Settings, Shopping Cart. Then we've got the tracking URL. In this field, you can enter the tracking number of your shipping service provider, and instead of the actual tracking number, you can enter the placeholder just like this. Shopware will then automatically insert the correct code for each order from the order details, so if maintained at this point. Down here we've got the tag field. Here you can enter keywords for the shipping method so that it can be found more easily later. Then we've got the availability. In the availability rule, you decide when shipping is possible using the shipping method. So the rules of the rule builder are used for this. If no suitable rule has been created yet, you can also add a new rule directly at this point. So just click on the drop-down menu and click on Create New Rule. Then we've got the tax calculation. If you click on the drop-down menu, you can find 3 calculation methods. So we've got auto. This calculation is based on all tax rates contained in the shopping cart. You can find a calculation example for auto in our documentation on this topic. Highest, this calculation is based on the highest tax rate included in the shopping cart. And fixed, this calculation is based on a manually selected tax rate. And down here, we've got the module unrestricted. On the price matrix, you can now determine the shipping costs for the shipping method. A price matrix is available for this purpose, in which you can define several price rules. So first, you can add a restriction. You can just click on the drop-down menu here and here you can select a rule from the rule builder or create a new rule, and then the price matrix will only be used if this condition is fulfilled. So if you do not select a rule, this price matrix will always be used for this shipping method. To create a price matrix, you can choose whether it is based on predefined properties or on rules from the rule builder. So by clicking Add Price Matrix, you can here select a property or select a rule from the rule builder. So as soon as you have created a price matrix, you can add another rule to the price matrix by clicking the Add Pricing Level button. This is this button here. And as you see, the second price level appears directly below the first. So if you want to select a predefined shopping cart property or an individually created rule as the base for the price matrix, you can set this via the selection field. With the button Add Price Matrix, as I just showed, you can add another price matrix in which you can then again store a restriction and price rule. So if you create the price matrix according to a property, the properties product quantity, cart price, weight, and volume are available. So using the example of cart value or cart price, the matrix would look like this. So cart price from 1 to infinity or 5, for example, and then you've got the price you can edit and enter. The other possibility is adding a price matrix whilst using a rule from the rule builder. So instead of using the properties, you can just choose a rule from the rule builder or create a new one. So I'll just take Sunday sales, and then the rule Sunday sales appears here, and here again you can add the value of your prices. In order for a shipping method to be used by the customer, it must be assigned to the corresponding sales channel. So we just do this by opening our sales channel, scroll down a bit, and then you come to the point where you have to add your shipping methods. Open the drop-down menu and then just add as many shipping methods from your already existing methods as you want.